Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best eco-laundry is probably one of the most important choices you make for your family's health and the environment. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural and organic laundry detergents, exploring what makes them special, and helping you find the perfect one to keep your clothes sparkling clean while keeping your conscience clear. We will be looking at various factors, from ingredients and effectiveness to environmental impact and value for money, to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. 7th Generation EasyDose Laundry Detergent. Say goodbye to messy measuring. It automatically dispenses the perfect amount of detergent with every use. Just flip, squeeze, and you're ready to go. This small bottle packs a powerful punch. You get 66 loads in a compact size, saving you space and reducing your environmental impact. It's incredibly concentrated, using significantly less plastic, water, and overall weight compared to our larger bottles. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Its advanced enzyme formula tackles even the toughest stains while being made without dyes, synthetic fragrances, or artificial brighteners. Enjoy a naturally fresh scent thanks to the 100% essential oils and botanical ingredients. It's a clean you can feel good about. What we like? It measures the right amount of detergent every time, making laundry day a breeze. Its ultra-concentrated formula means less plastic waste and more loads per bottle. If you value convenience and sustainability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The bottles are intelligently designed for organization and use. I love the ergonomic design and the dispensing cap all in one. 1. Small enough bottle to put in cabinet or on a countertop. 2. Flip cap squirts out the right amount so you can choose smaller amounts of detergent. 3. No more measuring scoops or caps, which means no extra clutter and no sticky detergent drips on counters or washing machines. Cleans extremely well, smells great, easy to use, less plates waste. Since it's concentrated, the container is small, why pay to buy water? The best thing is that it just requires 1 squeeze or 2 squeezes to dispense the detergent. It cleans well and has a great scent. Number 4. EasyDose Laundry Detergent. It's not just effective and gentle on sensitive skin, it's also pH balanced, making it a responsible choice for you and the planet. With enough for 200 loads, this plant-powered detergent is cruelty-free and perfect for eco-conscious homes. Unlike many detergents, it avoids harsh chemicals that harm water ecosystems, keeping our environment clean. It's a powerful yet gentle solution, ideal for families with sensitive skin and allergies. For over 50 years, we've harnessed nature's power. This detergent is made in a sustainable, zero-waste factory using 100% renewable energy. This certification ensures it performs exceptionally well while prioritizing human health and environmental safety. EasyDose is a company that is both women-owned and Black-owned, supporting diversity and leadership. What we like? This detergent is tough on stains but gentle on sensitive skin. It's also incredibly sustainable, made with plant-based ingredients and produced in an eco-friendly factory. If you have sensitive skin or prioritize eco-conscious choices, this one's for you. What people say. EasyDose Laundry Detergent Liquid does an excellent job of getting my clothes clean. It effortlessly tackles a variety of stains and everyday dirt, leaving my laundry looking fresh and vibrant. It's free from harsh chemicals and dyes, making it ideal for sensitive skin. The detergent is also great for preserving the quality of our fabrics, ensuring that they last longer. The detergent is made with plant-based ingredients and is biodegradable, which aligns with my commitment to reducing my ecological footprint. The packaging is also recyclable, further enhancing its eco-friendly credentials. Number 3. Zoom Clean Laundry Soap. Introducing Zoom Clean Laundry Soap, a plant-based formula that's tough on dirt but gentle on fabrics. It's perfect for sensitive skin and high-efficiency machines. 1 bottle of this concentrated soap cleans up to 64 loads. It's low sudsing, so you get a powerful clean without the mess. Experience the warm, woodsy aroma of frankincense and myrrh. This captivating scent will leave your laundry smelling fresh and inviting. It's made with natural ingredients and is cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. We don't test on animals, and it's vegetarian-friendly. Zoom products are handcrafted in the USA with ingredients you'll love. Experience the quality and care that goes into every bottle. Zoom by Indigo Wild offers a range of natural products for your home and body. Discover the Zoom difference today. What we like. It's made with gentle, plant-based ingredients that are tough on dirt but kind to your clothes. The unique woodsy scent will leave your laundry smelling fresh and clean. If you prefer natural products with a unique fragrance, this is a great option. What people say. This is a more natural product with cleaner ingredients. I was skeptical at first, but this has been cleaning my clothes great. My clothes feel soft and it works really well. Firstly, the frankincense and myrrh scent is absolutely divine, warm, spicy, and exotic. It adds a delightful fragrance to my laundry without being overpowering. Secondly, the soap itself is incredibly effective at cleaning clothes, even heavily soiled items. It's gentle on fabrics yet tough on stains, leaving my laundry smelling fresh and looking clean after each wash. Additionally, I appreciate that Zoom laundry soap is made with natural ingredients, including essential oils and coconut oil-based cleansers, which gives me peace of mind knowing that I'm not exposing my family or the environment to harsh chemicals. Plus, the large 64 fluid ounces size means that a little goes a long way, making it both economical and eco-friendly. This did a lovely job of cleaning and softening my laundry, very clean and soft. Number 2. Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent. It's tough on stains and odors, but gentle on your clothes and the planet. Experience the power of plant-based cleaning. It uses plant-derived cleaning agents to leave your clothes crisp and fresh. Say goodbye to tough stains and odors. It's perfect for both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. Enjoy a naturally fresh scent without artificial fragrances or dyes. It's 3x concentrated, reducing packaging waste and energy consumption. A little goes a long way. It's plant-based and eco-friendly, free of artificial fragrances, dyes, phosphates, chlorine, ammonia, and brighteners. Safe for kids and pets. It uses biodegradable ingredients, is never tested on animals, and is made in the USA. Experience the quality and care that goes into every bottle. What we like. This ultra-concentrated formula means you get 300 loads, reducing waste and saving you money. It's made with plant-based ingredients and is free of harsh chemicals, making it safe for kids and pets. If you're looking for a powerful, eco-friendly, and family-safe option, this is it. What people say. Concentrated, the efficiency in this product is unparalleled, going through 300 loads with just one bottle. It leaves my clothes smelling fresh and clean without any kind of overpowering fragrances, and I feel confident knowing it's safe for my kids and pets. Without artificial colors or preservatives, it perfectly aligns with my commitment to using natural products in my household. But what really sets Biokleen apart is the real cleaning power. On even more serious stains, it is acting just as well and often even better than more conventional detergents would. Biokleen is made from natural ingredients, not harsh chemicals, another big plus. Clothes and towels and sheets all smell fresh, even my sweaty cycling kit, but not stinky with detergent perfume. Number 1. Grab Green Laundry Pods. Experience the power of natural cleaning with our innovative laundry detergent pods. It's a simple solution for a fresh, clean laundry experience. These pre-measured pods are incredibly easy to use. Simply drop one into your washing machine and let it work its magic. Formulated with plant and mineral-based ingredients, they cut through dirt and stains effectively, leaving your clothes sparkling clean. Enjoy the soft and delicate fragrance of lavender and vanilla as your clothes are cleaned. It's a naturally pleasant experience. Our pods are free of harsh chemicals, dyes, and toxins, making them safe for sensitive skin and the environment. They're also cruelty-free and made in the USA. These pods are designed to remove stains and brighten your clothes, leaving them looking their best. They work in all water temperatures and washing machine types. What we like. These convenient pods are pre-measured for easy use and provide superior cleaning power. They're plant-based and free of harsh chemicals, making them a safer choice for your family and the planet. If you prefer the convenience of pods and want a powerful, natural clean, this is for you. What people say. The scents are subtle, and the detergent cleans so well. This detergent does its job and gets stains out and leaves your clothes clean. It softens clothes really nicely, a bonus for someone who can't use traditional fabric softener. It cleans as well as any laundry soap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.